I'm Chuck, and if you're looking to upgrade your content creation or photography, then the Raleno Softbox kit is a game changer. If you're in front of the camera, softbox lights are the way to go because they reduce grain, they have really smooth tone, and they're real easy to set up. I can literally just take these to my room when I need to get them out. I just take them out, plug them in, and they're good to go. I don't have to assemble them. If I want to take them apart, then they can go into the really compact box. But other than that, they're just real easy to get out and to set up. They work really well. You can see I'm using them right now, and my face is lit up really well, really evenly. So let's jump into the review for these softbox lights. Okay, so the packaging for the softbox, pretty large, pretty heavy, but I mean, that's to be expected. If it came in a small package, I'd be quite disappointed. Yeah, let's get these open. Okay, hopefully that did the trick. Indeed it did. There's a piece of cardboard. And then giant case that says Raleno, I don't know. But yeah, pretty cool. It's got a handle, it's heavy, but great for carrying around. I'm glad it comes in a case because softboxes would be a pain if they did not come with a case. Yeah, it's got zippers that go all the way through. So you've got a lot of different parts in here. This looks like, I don't even know, maybe a reflecting kit? I have no idea. So there's that. And then there's another thing, but it's in, oh, no, this is the same thing, but the other one didn't have the Velcro. Weird, but okay. And then you've got these long tubes, or long rectangle, long whatever shape this is. These are the stands for them. I assume this other tube that, I'm gonna say tube, I don't know what these are. This other box, sure, both box, has the same thing, yeah. It's just another stand, so there's two softbox lights in here, a pair, which is good. And then there's a user manual, but like, who actually reads those? And then more boxes. This box has a light bulb in it. Okay, look at how big this light bulb is. Just like, this thing's like the size of my face. Guess that might come in handy to have pretty powerful lights. I'll tell you that. And that's just one light too. And then there's another one, I'd assume, in this package. Yep, that's another light. Yeah, you can see it in there. So yeah, let's go to a build montage of me setting this up. this is a video before we set up the softbox. So I've got, you can see like half my face is not lit, there's some shadows, there's like a window coming in from this side so you can see some of my face but not all of it. Not the best video quality. So let's go hook up those softbox lights and then we'll see how the video changes. Okay, you can tell that the softbox has been set up because of my face, better toned, less shadows. There's still some shadows in the back there, but most of it's gone up pretty well. Everything's toned really nicely, very bright. I've tried using ring lights before in my videos, but ring lights I don't like because besides just like the rings you get in your eyes, for a complex setup, they're not really the best. They don't get the best tone or anything like that. Not very smooth. And they're very bright, but they're centralized in certain spots, and so sometimes you'll get like two shadows over stuff if you do like one ring light over here and one ring light over there. But with two softbox lights, you don't really get a lot of shadows, and it's very clear. Everything works really well, and so it's great for recording setups for like photographers. It works really well, like literally everything. Just having two lights set up instead of using like natural light. Natural light is great, but there's instances where a lighting kit is going to work so much better, and that's where the softbox is really great, because softbox makes your video quality way better, your picture quality way better. They're really easy to set up too. These ones, it took me like 10 seconds. Sometimes I don't even take them apart. I just move them into my room, and then when I take them out, I just put them back in. You should really just plug them in. These don't even have to be plugged to a computer. You can just plug them into the wall outlet, which is really nice. And they work really well. They're really easy to set up. You just flip the switch. I really don't like that these, besides not being able to change the colors of the lights, you can't change the brightness or anything. That would be super nice. I mean, these are kind of bright, but they're not super bright. I think a little bit brighter would be nice, but you can't really control the lights, which is one of the features that I wish they would add to it. But their lights are really nice, I would say that. They just really smooth, really toned. Everything about them is really nice. And for recording videos, they're just outstanding. So definitely get yourself a pair of these softbox kits. This one is Raleno, but you can find other brands out there as well. And I don't think any will be that much better than the other. They'll all be in the same price range. But if you want to check these out, you can. The link will be in the description below. You can check that out on Amazon. And thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in another video. Peace.